Welcome back to my channel. Today me and Gabby is gonna do a makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna make her into me, so that's gonna be cool. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So we gotta wait real quick, so we'll see you guys in a couple minutes when Sammy hands me the eyebrow stuff.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, it's the next day, but Sammy's gonna be doing Gabby's eyebrows because I cannot do anybody's eyebrows. I could, but it takes me like a whole hour to do them because I like to have them like perfect, even, and everything. But Sammy could do them in like 5 to 10 minutes really quick, and then after when she's done with that, then we'll start the video. Alright guys, Sammy just finished her eyebrows, so now we're gonna go on to this natural baddie look we're gonna do onto her because she already has natural, like, beautiful lashes. Do you want to show them? Like, she has natural ass beautiful lashes, so she doesn't need lashes. So let's get into this. So we're gonna go with a brown real quick, so let's do that. And she has her own palette. I did not bring none of my makeup at all because I didn't think I was gonna do this, but yeah, we're gonna use her classic 10 palette, and we're gonna use these browns. All right, we're gonna start with this brown right here first, and this little sparkly brown to make it a little bit darker. All right, close. Guys, I'm sweating. It's hot as hell in here, but that's how it's gonna look. And then we're gonna put the gold up in there, and then yeah, and then we'll be almost done. This video is gonna be really fast because we're doing like a natural baddie look on her, and she's naturally pretty, so she has to take a call.
Hey mom.
All right, back into it.
Pizza.
Yeah guys, we're having pizza tonight. I'm having a whole vlog on my channel with them. I'm babysitting them, but this is just for a video for me doing her makeup because she wanted me to do her makeup for a while, so I'm gonna do it. Close. Alright guys, now we got the golden. Now we're gonna put a little bit more black, and then that should be finished. Then we'll be on to the next side. There we go. Yes, queen. Now she looks cute. Sim, is that better?
God damn, what the heck?
That looks cuter, huh?
She looks so pretty already.
I know.
Well, even before.
Alright guys, we're on to the next side. We're gonna fast lapse it the whole time so it's not so long. So
Whenever I do my eyeshadow, I use that small brush. I get it wet, and then so like what you did, but instead of putting the makeup on with it, I like use it to like fix up the corners and stuff like that.
yeah.
Because sometimes they'll go out. Instead of using my finger, I use that because it works really good.
Yeah. I always use like this white eyeshadow to clean up like my eyeshadow, like mess spots that I mess up on. It's just better than cleaning it up with like a rag or like with a makeup wipe.
Yeah.
There we go. Now we got her eyeshadow on. Now we just gotta do her mascara. We don't have no blush, no contour, but we can make the highlight work because we're making her into a baddie. But yeah, let's do that. Do you want me to do underneath or no? Like eyeshadow I do underneath or no? Or do you just want to leave it like that?
Just leave it like that.
No,
Okay.
you should do under.
I don't really know. I don't know anything about makeup.
Okay, then we'll do underneath too to make it a little bit longer. So
You want underneath.
Yeah.
She's already doing dramatic. Might as well go full out.
yeah, true. Look up. Okay, there we go.
It was so hard to not blink during that.
I bet. Alright, look up again.
When you do the corner, it like hurts my eyes.
Oh, like in the front?
Yeah, because it's like, I don't know, but I can feel it
Yeah, coming.
with my eyelashes.
Yeah, and plus your eyelashes are long too, so you're definitely gonna feel it. Alright guys, we're going to go on to mascara now, and then highlight, and then she'll be finished. How are you liking it so far, Gabby?
I like it a lot. I
You
look
like
like
it?
a different person.
That's good, that's good. We're doing good, guys. All right, so mascara. Oh yeah, and then we have lip gloss too, because that's what baddies use, lip gloss. This one will work better. Okay. All right, you ready? And close. Slowly. Really slow, ready? Really slow. Slow.
God, that one stabbed me in the eye.
Slow. I'm just gonna go like this. So there's one side done. Look, it's looking good. Yeah, she looks good, huh?
What the hell? It looks like you're wearing false lashes.
Mm-hmm. I know, I'm like, goddamn, it's so pretty. Boom. Her lashes are done. Okay, so now we're only on to highlight, then we're finished, huh, Gabby? She's liking it, she's loving it. This palette is the only palette we have and the only palette that actually has shimmers. So we're gonna use this color that we used on her eye, but we're gonna use a little bit so it won't be so dark on her. But yeah, we'll use this one. We're gonna use this exact same brush because we have no brushes, like I said. Didn't bring my makeup. Wasn't smart. Highlight. Stay where you are. Okay.
No, shiny nose. The other day, so I saw this where like people were like shaping out their nose like right here, and I did it to Adelie. It looks so different.
Oh, like contouring it?
One time Gabby
I just did it with the eyeshadow, and that's it, with the really skinny brush.
You seriously look like an older
Turn.
person. Like, not even 10. Not even
Yeah.
11.
I told you guys, she's gonna get older. She's gonna look like she's
I don't even. She looks like
15.
she's 15.
Yeah, literally. Okay, now we're on to the lip gloss, then we're finished. We're going with the Victoria's Secret lip gloss.
Then outline the edges of my lips.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys liked about this video. And comment down below and say that my cousin is beautiful. This is her first time actually wearing like full-on makeup, isn't it? Yeah, like brows,
First
like
time wearing like actual makeup.
like actually like full glam makeup. But yeah, I feel like we're gonna do a little montage for her, so we should put your hair down, make that
Okay.
cute montage, and we'll do some pictures of her because like she's looking bombs. Let's go. All right guys, so we're outside now. This is how her makeup looks outside. It looks really pretty. Like I did actually really good with that makeup. But yeah, let's do a montage, and this is the end of the video here. And then comment down below if you guys want another video with me and Gabby. Gabby, did you like this video?
I liked it a lot.
All right.
For the ending results.
And the ending results, she loved it. All right, this will be on the video, and I'll see you guys next time.